Here I've got OnePlus 60, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. At the very beginning you have to open the settings, then pick the first icon, which is Wi-Fi and Internet, and now go to Hotspot and Tethering, just under data usage. Here you can simply activate your hotspot by opening Wi-Fi hotspot and clicking on this switcher. So from now on your portable hotspot is on. Obviously you can switch it off the same way, so if you will click over here you will be able to turn it off. But let me turn it on one more time, and now you can also change the network name, hotspot name, and the password. So just click on hotspot name, delete the current one, and enter a new one to be seen as HardReset, for example. So all devices that will be connected through your Wi-Fi hotspot will see the name of it, HardReset. And then also tap on the password and change it the same way, so just delete the current one and enter a new one. Just remember that your password must have at least 8 characters, and tap on OK. And from now on your hotspot has been updated, so you have new name and also the password, and you can easily switch it on and off by tapping on this icon. You can also select turn off hotspot automatically, so it's this switcher, this option. You can activate it like this, so once it's blue it's active, and this option will automatically turn off hotspot after 5 minutes of inactivity. So that's it. Enjoy your hotspot and share your internet with your friends. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.